Hey you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see videos as I post them, make sure to ring that bell.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
Welcome to my first ever vlog. I decided to vlog my life for about 2 days and just kind of give you a little bit more of me. I decided that I am going to do a couple of vlogs. It's not going to be a weekly thing. It's just going to be an occasional vlog here and there. Anyway, so day number 1, I went out with one of my best friends. Her name is Aida. She's also Bosnian, just like me. And Aida and I love cats. We are big cat lovers. So one of our favorite little places here in Salt Lake is Tinker's Cat Cafe.
She just loves this.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering.
That is talking to cats in Bosnian.
Echoes collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. All because
It's probably my favorite thing to do to cats.
I'll bite you right now.
I like booping their little nosies.
only you can make me
Put it in there.
can make me move.
Blank's kisses.
Can make me.
They're cutie. If you're interested in adopting a cat, I will put a link down below to Tinker's Cafe. And when we were there, they actually had 101 cats adopted in 1 year, which I think is pretty impressive. And it's always a fun time to go and support an organization like that, a local business, and to go and play with the little kitties. So we're at Chili's right now. Literally our favorite restaurant, and it's our favorite, like one of our favorite chains, and we're picking out so much that we got 2 bottomless chips. So good luck to us. I mean, I'm drooling. I don't know how we're gonna fit this all into our body. Who do you think that you are from the...
I think I'm the FBI or the agent lady that tells Mike, always watching, and she just needs the little like.
And I'm like, yes, but in like a good hot way, not like an old sluggish grandma way.
in Munsters University when she's young. That's
Yeah.
what I look like.
We are on our way to I was gonna say breakfast museum, but no, that's not what it's called anymore. We are on our way to a art gallery pop-up called Dream something. Not sure what it is, but we are excited. It's finally a sunny day here in Salt Lake City, Utah.
A little windy.
A little windy, but you know what? This is so much better than all of the snow that we've been getting. And blizzards, and I'm just ready for winter to be over. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for spring activities.
Yes.
So we're gonna take you on a little adventure today. We're gonna do this. I don't know if we're gonna do anything after. Whoa, sunlight.
we don't know what we're gonna do after this, but we are gonna take you on our little adventure today. So stay tuned. We are in. How cool does this look? So we're supposed to be with a group and we're still looking at this old-timey place. I mean, I'm scared to do it, Maria. How do we get out of here? Oh, you guys are coming back in?
I don't know how to get out of there. Get out.
Oh, I thought you guys like went through like a maze or something.
I mean, you guys can give us the...
We might just not be able to find it.
That is scary.
Okay. Maria,
Where do we go? Oh yeah.
what is this stuff?
It's water.
And lights?
Yeah.
Well, we should have just made her touch it. I touched it. It is
Yeah.
terrible.
Illuminati sponsored here. No, it's there's a. All right, just watching you. It's this one. That's the back. What's Maria's secret?
XOXO.
Gossip girl. But Maria is loving the lamps.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. I'll be.
Hey guys, do you remember the show Zoom?
Come on and zoom, 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 on zoom. Oh yeah.
Guys, I think I finally found her.
How is this possible? How do we look exactly alike?
Who's real? Oh god. Who's fake? We kind of had a little bit too much fun. We definitely aged ourselves and, you know, zoomed around the place very casually and tried to avoid people and kids while we did it because it's embarrassing. We're out of the, I was gonna say escape room because it literally at points did look like an escape room, but it's like an art pop-up thing. I don't even know what to compare it to, like the ice cream factory in San Francisco if you were ever there. I don't know if this is good lighting. We're by the Creepo Park, Pioneer Park. If you're in Utah, you know how it's like here.
You be knowing.
People are screaming. Finally got some lunch. We are here at Caputo's. And I'm gonna show you what we're eating. All right, you guys, so the adventure continues. We are going into a bookstore just to kind of shop around and see what we want. We're walking downtown, so there's a lot of people. It's kind of awkward. It's kind of awkward to talk to the camera. See you in the bookstore. Books, books, and more books. That music played perfectly.
Where I need to be.
You need to be inside a woman's issue.
I am the woman's issue. I have them.
Lastly, I took you guys to my second TED Talk. So I only filmed just a tad bit of it. I didn't want to film the whole thing. But if I will try to find the link to her full TED Talk if you're interested in listening to her story. She has a great and powerful story. So I will definitely link it down below if I can find it. If not, I'm sorry. I do have a small clip of the night.
Teachers, friends, community members tell me that I was going to be doing things in life. I was going to reach places that I never even thought that would be possible. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I have a master's degree in social work from the University of Utah, and I work at the mayor's office for the Office of Diversity and Human Rights. And I am also able to travel around the world and advocate and talk about issues that Utah is facing, as well as the general broader community. I sit on several boards in Washington, D.C. I sit on national advocacy efforts across the country to allow others in my community to know that one day they can also be where I am, that anything is possible. And I like to also just give you guys one quote that I like by Maya Angelou, which says, people will forget what you say, people will forget what you do, but they'll never, they'll forget what you say, they'll forget how you've done things, but they'll never forget how you made them feel through that experience. So experience is the key to life, and always look towards giving people that experience that you can.
There you go. You followed me on 2 separate days with 2 different friends that I love and that I enjoy spending my time with. Obviously, they're amazing and great people that I love. So if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that thumbs up button and I will take you on more adventures. I'm usually more adventurous during spring and summer, and that's approaching pretty soon. I really appreciate all of you for watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys next week for a special cooking edition that you will not want to miss. Spoiler alert, it involves my grandma. See you guys there.